Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you easy and juicy shrimp garlic butter. Here are the ingredients. 200 gram shrimp which is chopped and minced, and then 4 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoon butter, salt and pepper, chopped parsley for garnish. And first you take a pan, heat it on medium to high flame, add butter. When butter melts, add garlic, saute for 30 seconds. When garlic is turned color pink or smell amazing, then add 200 gram shrimp. Cook for 30 seconds on one side. When it color change and then flip other side. Cook 30 seconds more. Then add salt and pepper, lemon juice and toss for 1 minute. Then add chopped garlic, chopped parsley and serve it with pasta, rice and or on toast. If you like the recipe, share and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.